Alrighty, well this is gonna be a super fun project. We have a pond to dredge. It'll take us about 3 days is what we're estimating, at least for this first section. This Wednesday we'll be here till Friday, about midday Friday. So we've got this pond to dredge right here. Brought a 315 in. We're only going out all the way around the pond, pulling out about 8 inches of silt. And we're really going to focus on this area right here and dig it as deep as we possibly can with whatever time we have left in the budget for the job. So came in yesterday and got a siphon. That siphoned down the pond a good 1.5 to 2 feet probably. And now we're gonna go ahead and get this area dredged. What Cat did is they put on a dredging bucket for us, or a ditch cleaning bucket is what they were calling it. Basically just one of these flat buckets with a whole bunch of holes in it to let all the water out, which is gonna make it super easy. Warren and Preston are hooking up the dump trailer right now. This is what we'll use. We'll hook it up to the tractor's hydraulics, and then we're gonna actually dump all the silt we pull out of here, all the muck. We're basically gonna berm it up from about right here on this dam. We're gonna go all the way up, I would say kind of around that trash pile up there, maybe somewhere in that area. And then in a couple months, whenever it's dried out, we'll come back here with a skid steer and smooth all that out and blow straw on it all and seed. That way all the water from this pasture will get directed into the pond instead of basically channels down right here and goes down right here. So a little bit more water for the pond, a little bit more silt in the pond, but I guess that's just part of it, getting more water. But it's a beautiful pond. It's surprisingly, whenever it's full, it's got lily pads galore all up this bank, and all throughout the back. The back's not too much, but you can kind of see where it's deep over there, over here where it's just super shallow. So we're gonna dig out this area a lot. But let's get started. Alrighty, well, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will catch you guys in the next one.